Hey guys, it's Jordan. I'm gonna hit you with the shop update. Since I already gave you the shop tour initially, figured it's time for an update, see what we've been up to. If you haven't watched the first shop video, go take a look at that. Maybe scrub through it, at least before you watch this. So let me take you around, kind of give you an update. We have actual people working here now, so that's gonna be fun. Let's go.
Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face.
I'm in the shop right now. We had this massive thing taped out. We've got that, we feel good about it, we've locked it in. But we had to clean up the walls. We had to patch the walls, paint them, and then get some type of flooring in here that we could mess up. This is kind of the new set, the new area. You got our walls here. We got a matte gray that's gonna film nice, so it won't be crazy. And then we got this hardboard. $7. $7, it's a 4x8 sheet. Can't beat it. Replaceable. And since we just tape it down, if we spill something, just switch it. Get a new tile. It's perfect. So that's the biggest thing that we've done in here. We have a ton of extra things that we've got from Galesburg. We're gonna sort through that, get all that cleaned up, get some storage, get some shelves, get all that going. It's gonna be good. So let's head into the office now. You're probably all gonna hate me for this, but I'm just gonna blindside them. So here's the office. Safety equipment. People working. Oh, how familiar they look from the little heads that popped up on the last video. This is Taylor. Taylor's facing the wall. Again, I'm sorry, not ideal. I recognize that. My fault. Kaiten, fearless leader extraordinaire.
Hello.
Remember I said secret editor's dark dungeon? Secret editor's dark dungeon. There it is. Last but certainly not least, this is my sweet baby right here. Cindy! That's our fridge, Miss Cindy. Eric from inside goes, Cindy. $60, Facebook Marketplace right here. Sweetest deal in the world. So we're building this out. We're doing it economically like I said we would, but it's definitely a treat. Another shop update will come soon. We got a lot to do. We got a lot to build out. I'll keep you guys posted.